Hi, everyone. This is Chris Steinke from PerformanceAnalytics.life, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of our share applications, the Task SLA Starter Pack. Now, this is performance analytics content. This isn't just reports, and you can find it on the ServiceNow share site. They've migrated that over to the developer site, so it's just developer.servicenow.com. And then you can go into share and look at all projects. To find stuff from us, just search for life, and here we can see the Task SLA Starter Pack. Now, the Task SLA Starter Pack, again, it's a little bit different. Some of our content is just reports, but this is actually a full set of performance analytics content. So it's your indicator groups, your indicators, your breakdown sources, uh, and other things in order to create a dashboard for you so that you can look at task SLAs. One important thing to note, you do need to have performance analytics and to have the incident SLA content pack activated on your system in order to use this feature. Um, I'll go ahead and download it, and then I'll show you how to install it. Now, if you have used performance analytics for a while, you've probably looked in the dashboards and you've thought, well, I want to look at my SLAs, and you've noticed that the only SLA dashboards are pertain to incidents. But the fact is, you can have SLAs against any task table. So you might have SLAs against your catalog tasks, against problems, against certain phases of changes, but those are not available out of the box. And that's the purpose of this dashboard. It really just provides those simple out of the box indicators so that you can look at all of your tasks rather than just your incidents. So in order to install it into your system, you're going to want to go to Retrieved Update Sets and then click on Import Update Set from XML. Where it says Choose File, you want to select the file that you had just downloaded, and then you will upload it to your system. Now that doesn't add it to your system, it just puts it in a staging area. Before it gets added into your system, we have to preview it. And we have to preview it to make sure it doesn't collide with any records in your system and so on. So we'll click preview. The majority of it is net new content. Here you can see all the content below that it's putting in place, and then you can go ahead and commit the update set. That is going to load all of it into your system, but it's still not active yet. It's still not going to run. The indicators still aren't going to show because, like all performance analytics pieces, you need to go ahead and take care of the jobs. So here you can see some additional jobs have been added: the PA Task SLA Historic and PA Task SLA Daily Data Collection. By default, the daily data collection is set on to true. For the historic data collection, you would have to go in and then run a historic collection. Some of you might be asking, what about these task SLAs? What are these task SLAs you are talking about? Well, within the service level definitions, you can select there we go. You can select an SLA against any type of a table. So for example, here you can see though they're all incident, incident, incident. But when I create an SLA, I can create that against any table that it's extended from tasks. So changes, I can create it from problems, I can create any type. When you have an out of the box system, they're only on incident management. So you would have had to consciously add some of these task SLAs in order to get value out of this feature. Once you run and execute your jobs, you'll be able to see the dashboard. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit because you have to create these SLA definitions and run the test data. I've actually staged it up on another instance so that you can get a better look of what that task SLA starter pack is going to look like. So it's just a main dashboard. It's got a series of indicators on it. It's looking at things like how many tickets are currently open, how many have been closed within SLA, how many are currently breached. Another one that I really like is this heat map. This is showing you open and overdue task by task type. That helps you zero in on what sort of tickets are suffering the most from the different breaching or being overdue on tasks. And then you've got your number of open and overdue tasks. Now, this actually isn't everything that's included with the content pack. There's quite a few additional widgets. To find those, you can just come over here to Performance Analytics in your Add Widget menu and type in Task. And you can see here we have a number of different ones. Now that's an incident SLA, so that doesn't count. But here you can see number of tasks resolved in time per task type, SLA per task type. Anywhere where it says task, that's been notated so that you know that that's part of the content pack and is going to show you the information that you want to see. So again, very basic, sort of an introduction starter pack. If Task SLAs is something that you're really interested in and reporting on, I just want to give you a little sneak peek. We're actually preparing a application to be sold via the store. So this is going to be the Task SLA Premium Pack. You can see a lot more information, a lot more details, broken down into a number of different tabs, giving ideas into what's going on across your system in Task SLAs. Um, and also giving you some insights into how your groups are performing. Who's doing better? Are tickets getting stale? Are people sitting on tickets? Are tickets being lost? Is that why your SLAs are so bad? And all this information will be available from our Task SLA Premium Pack, which will be available via the store probably within a couple weeks. If you have any ideas to improve this content or any other content, please let us know. We love to hear ideas. If you have ideas for a dashboard that you would like to see, let us know, and maybe that'll be the next one we create. It's all about giving back to the community, and so hopefully you guys will get some value out of this, and have a great day.